Welcome to my vlog, guys. Please like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna play this Broken Haven to house like a house. Let's go driving the gasoline. I forget it's not gasoline. Where's the gasoline? So there. Oh my god. Whoa, I'm super excited, guys. Really next time. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Pero may gasolina pa man ako. Kagagis ko kasi. Let's see. Ito. Here's the... Sorry guys, I was just a little bit... Let's get a washing today. Para hindi nila ma-upload, pero ma-upload. Car down! Wow, may pa-car down sa tayo. And naka-car down. Oh god. I gasoline. No. Oh, ow, is that pot? Is that pot? I need to get my cash. No, I need to get my cash in the bag. This is to be your cash. Okay. It's gone now. Okay, I need to get. And then there. Let's car wash. Let's go first. Let's go second in the car wash. Oopsie. Oops. Let's go for a car wash. Yan. Tapos yung nalalapan na lang tayo. Tingnan, nalalapan tayo. Ang papatayin. Bigat. Kasi guys, nabuko yan. Kasi hindi pa kita na. And atas. And this is my cash. Someone stay here. Very in my life. Check lang. Kaya ito na lang tayo. Ma-start ng bahay. Oopsie. May mini house dito. May bagong house. Dito ako guys stay. Bakit dito na namin magstay? Kasi let's see kung may bagong house. Wala naman dito bago. Bakit yan nakukuha? Sige, bayad pala guys. Bahay kukunin ko nga pa racket. Ito. Pero palaw yan. Kaya itatry ko yan wala ko pa natry na house. Ito. Yan. In please wait daw. And meron dito yung and this how much 50 only, and I want to get a baby, and this is, let's go up, this is a little bedroom, and this is another bedroom, there's no room, and where's my money bank? There's a money bank. Where's my money bank? Up. Let's see. Where's my money bank? I get it. And here's my bathroom. And thus I have a backyard too. But you need to open. And this is up in my backyard. And a pool, I want a pool. What is this? I want to hear a pool. I don't know how to do a pool, big pool. I don't know why I took it. Maybe let's see my CCTV. This. Oh, wait. Where's she, that one? Whoa. I forget in the face. Man. Let's go there. Let's see. Is that one?
Okay. Bas, wala niya bas. May pawang takadis ka maglakatis dito, hindi na magantay.
Kuyang nga.
Ha?
Kuyang.
Ano?
Si Kuyang.
Ano, okay lang, dada ka. Dito, hindi magantay. Ganito. Dito ko lang tulog siguro.
Was?
ano mo?
Basket?
Sakpan niya mga last week.
Okay. And, kasi may class ako kasi. Ba't kawatan ng nanay niya? Kaya tatawagan ko dito yung phone ko sa anak. Dito kay sa tablet. Hindi siya tatak na sa cellphone. And ito kay sa kiklik nyo lang. Wala kasi dito. Jaga. Oh. Let's say hi to him.
Lang ta, blada na. Yan, may karoon ako.
Bye guys. Please jump back to part 2.